In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the delay button on a GE dehumidifier. It's a fairly simple concept. The purpose of it is to delay turning it on or off. So right now I have it on. So let's say I want it to turn off. Let's say I want to go away, but I want it to be on for a few hours while I'm away. What I want to do is hit delay. And right here, you look up here, and let's say I want it to turn off in 5 hours. Hit delay again. So I do plus. So 5 hours. And so within 5 hours, while I'm away, it will turn off. All right, and you know that it's working because it says delay off. All right, now, if I'm away and I want it to turn on in 5 hours for whatever reason, I basically hit delay, which shows on, and then I'll do it again, and then I'll go 5, let's say 6, 7 hours. So it's off now, all right, and then I'll go, and then while I'm away in 7 hours, it will turn back on. All right, so that's how you use the delay in a dehumidifier for GE.